Welcome back to Mile Per Hour Mayhem. I'm Alan Whitaker. We're going to go over our oil system again just because that's what I'm piddling with. If you've had a catastrophe, you've had a piston that's been through an inferno, melted some aluminum, took out some piston rings. This stuff has to go somewhere. It's throughout your engine and it will destroy other stuff. This is an SMX that we had a spark plug failure. It started burning some oil and a little bit of other stuff with it. We have a dry sump system. And on a dry sump system, you have fittings that come out of the bottom of your oil pan here. Brown & Miller makes a wonderful, wonderful hose. Probably the best hose out there in my opinion. They have a replaceable screens, and these screens come in 4 different lengths. They screw into your fitting that screws into your oil pump or oil pan. The other side goes to your oil pump. And then you have these style of fittings that you buy with a screen on it. Stuff does get by these screens. They are not the catch-all. They are not, 100 micron, 10 micron, 60 micron. They're just a big screen for chunks. If the chunks get by there, they will get to the oil pump and destroy your oil pump, period. If you don't think that anything gets by there, the best thing you can do is start cutting a hose open. If you'll I wish I would have done this. This is my mistake. I've thrown the hoses away. I went to Brown & Miller and had new hoses made. Cut your crimp off, pull your fitting out, and look at the glitter that is back here on the inside behind the crimp. If you take and you slice your hose open and you peel it open, it looks like glitter. It looks like a bass boat inside of there. What happens is you have hot melting aluminum, you have chunks of piston, you have chunks of ring, you have chunks of everything that's gotten angry and destroyed itself inside of an inferno. That hot melting aluminum and metal and so forth, it gets through the oil does not cool it. The oil is very hot too. You've got an issue. Gets past these screens, gets into the hose, embeds itself into the hose because it's so hot. Once you fire the engine back up, build a new engine, do whatever you do, you've got a contaminated hose on your engine, period. If you want to be cheap and not spend a few $100s and get a new hose made, that will cost you a lot more in the long run because it will come loose eventually. Them little fines will come through and they exit this hose on an external system and go directly into the oil pump. You might not totally trash the oil pump, but you will take time and life away from it. Ask me how I know. Over the time in doing this and being around it, hopefully this helps. It's a good pointer. Like and subscribe and share. Hopefully this helps the other racers out there, many forms of racing, and hope you enjoy the channel. We'll be coming back with information and things we've learned and other smart people has taught us over the years.